grabe ni siya. Nganuman, because since May 30, kaduhara jud ko nakagawas og house. Yeah, the first time I went out when I had my haircut. So this one, that's why. Kitaas na ba itong hair, di ba? Plano mo kung mabalik na to, magpasimi upaw ko. What do you think? Okay ka, magpasimi upaw kong balik? Army cut? Yeah. I'm actually thinking. Yeah, kaya maragsamo ko manggihapon. Yes, kaduhara ko nakagawas, and then the second time I went out, nadihara po sa kuan, tubangan na ako. When my friend, my long-time friend arrived from Manila for a visit only. Yeah, because she's already settled in Manila. So she came to visit after 8 years, almost a decade. Nya maora to siya since May 30 because murag May 30 siguro ta among graduation, and I was not able to attend because my daughter got really sick. Yeah, dengue. So May 29 ra ko adto sa gawas, nakangatog school, and then to the town, and then after that wala na. Kaya na ninyo di mo gawas. Pero grabe ko ka busy. Lupig pa na ako kanang nag-work sa gawas. Kay nag-online man ko when my daughter recovered from her, from her sickness, from the fever, from the dengue. So dito ko nag-start dito ko naka-decide nga mag-online. Dito ko naka-decide nga mo venture into online teaching. So dito ko nag-search, and then I submitted online application. So that time I applied in 3 companies. I started 3 companies. Yan, daghan na kayo ng hitabo. Di mo na ilalim mag-online. Ang uban maingon ra ba nga may pa mag-online kaya sayon ra? No. Ako'y maingon ninyo, listen siya ang process. Na pa sila yung mga test, na sila yung mga wala. Everything that they require is non-negotiable gyud. Maayo paning kanang physical nga application kaya pwede ka makahangyo, di ba? Pwede ka magdrama, pwede ka kuan sa ila dili. Everything is non-negotiable. Mingon gali sila nga mauni ni. Yeah. So proud to say in these 3 companies I passed. Tapos after ni ato na-hire ko sa kuan 51 Talk og ona. Nya daghan lagi kaayog tichiporit-chipod. Daghan kaayog webinar nga i-attend. Imagine, may pa sa DepEd kaya kausara ko ng demo. Sa ilaha, I presented demo teaching 3 times. Una na ko nga presentation with a Chinese English teacher who served as my CE, Chinese evaluator. And then the second time is with a Chinese student. And then third time, after I attended the NTC, it's a webinar, NTC, which means National Teachers Camp. When I got hired already, they don't actually use the term hire, but launch. So when I got launched already, so another demo, 20 minutes only with my coach. With my trainer. Maayo nga trainer sa 5 Talk. They're very eloquent speaker. Yeah, I love their accent. Nindot ka istanan. And then after that, here comes another company, but I will not mention for now what company, but it's a lot better. And what I like this company is that my clients would be, adults. Not ordinary adults, but those people na talagang may ginagawa sa buhay, may sinasabi sa buhay, like business owner, business manager, HR manager, supervisor, professionals, yeah, mga Japanese pa yan ha. So they are my clients. And then what's challenging is that kasi matatalino yan, no? Most of the time nga mas matalino pa kaysa sa akin. But anyway, yung role ko lang naman sa kanila is to teach them English, business English especially. Yeah, because these these people don't know how to speak English. They know a little, but not enough. But in order for them to be, kana yung kanang monster in the field of business, so they need to learn English because English is the global language, right? So for them to be able to establish, great, excellent partnership with, business tailors coming from the different parts of the world, so they really need the English. So that's my only job, to teach them, to help them become master in the use of the English language, especially in their, especially their communication skills, grammar, something like that. Business English, meaning the formal English, not the common or the general English that we use in in daily conversation. No, not that, but business English. So yan, tapos there are two other companies keep inviting me because I passed the initial screening, I passed the speaking test. So karon nakik-arrange na sila og Skype interview. Nagtikadaghan na mahinoon. Pero katong di pa nako sila pwede i-mention. Pero of course, although I tried to hit more than one bird using one stone, pero in the end usa ra jud ang pwede ana, di ba? Okay, wabi ako naanad nga magduha dunganon. Nakasuway di ay Lucky ug Baji. Charot lang. Joke lang. Yeah, kidding aside. Yup, so mo to nga busy kaayo ko kay mga interview. I had line of interviews and then test, demo teaching. Yeah, di ko kung ako pasulti mas lisod ang akong giagian kaysa DepEd. Pwede naman ka mag-code switching, mag-Taglish. Di ba? Pwede ra ka mapag-cute-cute ngadto. That's true. I'm sorry, but I say that based on experience. Pwede ra po ka makahangyo, di ba? Sa ila dili kay virtual man no, online man naman sila yung platform. So it's really nerve-wracking. So you really have to be, quick thinker, critical thinker. Yeah, because you have to impress the employer, the interviewer. And above all, you have to have an excellent communication skill. Diba? Your, grammar, pronunciation, diction, accent, all that. So what's really hard about it is that because you cannot speak vernacular, even just one word. Ang magkabisaya ka ng Tagalog, baka ka ng foreigner man na. Diba? So you really have to speak English fluently the whole time. Tapos accent bukunohay ka. Diba? Nya kanang kuan as much as possible kuan yun. Business English good ay mong gamiton. So along the process, I learned a lot. I've learned so much. And also I discovered that bisag online platform siya unya kanang what is this, mga foreigners, pero lots of ways that they do their practices, educational practices, are similar to the practices that we have in the Department of Education. So nindot pud siya. For example, how to motivate students, how to, the lesson flow, pareha raman sa DepEd. Only that nga online platform is yan. The English jud kaayo kada whole time gyud. It's already 10 minutes. So I have to cut this video.